Hello guys, today I will show you how to add auto subtitles to your video on Canva. So just watch and follow this video till the end. So as you see, this is Canva. I have to go to this list and I have to add my video that I wanna use and add it or add a subtitle for it. So click upload and choose the video that you wanna have a subtitle. So for me, I choose this video, and right now I have to add it to my background here, and I will deform it or this.
Welcome everybody to this video.
So this is my video, as you see. Right now, what I should do, I will just go to this list and I will click on apps here. So I go to search bar and search for subtitles. Subtitles, and I click on it and come to animated subtitles and click. So here guys, click start and click export, and you have to wait here. Right now, after loading, it's going to take me this. I have to choose my style. For example, I will use this style. Click on it, and if you wanna edit some or have some edit like change the size, the position, also the color if you want, I will just keep it like this and click generate. I have to wait again here until it generated my subtitles for my video.
Welcome everybody to this video. I'm going to show you how to do this on Freepik.
Right now guys, they generate subtitles for my video. So what I have to do right now, I will just click on generate video with subtitle, and I have to wait a few moments. Right now guys, after this, I have to click here on this plus icon, and I will add my video, add to design here, and I have to resize this now like this. And as you can see right now, when I will open the video, it will show me the auto subtitles. Look.
Welcome everybody to this video. I'm going to show you how to do this on Freepik, or how to download the images from Freepik. Easy and quick.
So guys, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.